Good day, my viewer. Today I want to discuss equivalent fractions. And 2 over 3 and 3 over 4 are the examples of fractions I'm going to use to explain the equivalent fractions. Now, equivalent fractions just means that the other fractions you are going to get will have the same value with the fraction you are looking for its equivalent. So the first example is 2 over 3, the fraction that is 2 over 3. Now, if you want to get the equivalent fractions, so the first, you cannot simplify 2 over 3 for that. That is the lowest fraction. So just multiply 2 by the numerator and the denominator. So if you multiply 2 by the numerator and denominator, you have 4 over 6. So if you want to find another equivalent fraction from there, just multiply 2 by the numerator and the denominator as well, which is 4 times 2 and 6 times 2, which will give you 8 over 12. So if you multiply 2 again by 8 over 12, the numerator and the denominator, you are going to get 16 over 24. So the 4 over 6, 8 over 12, and 16 over 24 are the equivalent fractions of 2 over 3. Because if you divide 2 over 3, 4 over 6, 8 over 12, and 16 over 24, they are going to give the same values. Although if you can continue like that with that trend, it doesn't mean that the three I have done are all the equivalent fractions. We still have more equivalent fractions of 2 over 3. The next example is 3 divided by 4. 3 divided by 4. So, 3 divided by 4 is the lowest fraction that we have there. So, to now find the equivalent fraction of 3 over 4, you can say 3 times 2 divided by 4 times 2, which will give you 6 over 8. If you still want to find another one, you can do 6 times 2 divided by 8 times 2, which will give you 12 over 16. If you want to find another one, you can do 12 times 2 divided by 16 times 2. That will give you 24 over 32. So the 6 over 8, 12 over 16, and 24 over 32 are all the equivalent fractions of 3 divided by 4. You can still continue and you get more equivalent fractions. So when you now divide those fractions, the value you are going to get will be the same. 3 divided by 4, the value will be the same thing as 6 divided by 8. The value will be the same thing as 12 divided by 16. The value will be the same thing as 24 divided by 32. So that is what makes it equivalent fractions. Once you divide them, the value you are going to have will be the same. Thank you very much.